Hi friends, let us do one more problem on rectification of errors. Rectify the following errors. Credit sales to Mohan 7,000 were recorded in the purchase book. So when you make credit sales to Mohan, the correct entry which should have been passed is Mohan to sales. This is the entry we should have passed. Mohan to sales 7,000. But what have we done? Instead of recording it in the sales book, we have recorded the name of Mohan in purchases book. So if you record the name of Mohan in purchase book, it is equal to passing an entry purchases to Mohan. This is the wrong entry we have passed. This is the entry which should have been passed. This is the entry we have already passed. Okay. So the rectification entry would be, it is very simple. It is reverse of wrong plus correct. So reverse of wrong would be Mohan to purchases 7,000 plus correct. Correct should be passed as it is. It is only reverse of wrong, not reverse of wrong and reverse of right. It is reverse of wrong plus correct. The correct entry is Mohan to sales. So the net effect of these two entries will be the rectification entry Mohan debit and Mohan debit. That means Mohan has to be debited with 14,000. His account has to be credited with 7,000 and sales account has to be credited with 7,000. So this is your answer and this is the rectification entry. B. Credit purchases from Rohan rupees 900 were recorded in the sales book. Credit purchase from Rohan rupees 900 were recorded in the sales book. So when you purchase goods from Rohan, it should have been recorded as purchases to Rohan 900, but it was recorded in the sales book. That means Rohan's name was recorded in the sales book. When you write the name of Rohan in the sales book, it is equal to passing an entry Rohan account at R2 sales. The correct entry we should have passed is purchases to Rohan. This is the correct entry we should have passed. But what is the wrong entry we have passed? We have recorded the name of Rohan in sales book. If you write the name of Rohan in the sales book, it is equal to passing an entry Rohan to sales. This is the wrong entry we have passed. So now rectification entry would be reverse of wrong would be sales to Rohan 900. Correct entry would be purchases to Rohan. So the net effect would be sales should be debited 900, purchases to be debited 900, Rohan to be credited with 1800. So this is the answer. This is the rectification entry we have to now pass in the books to make the books correct. Let us see the next situation. Goods returned to Rakesh. When you return goods to Rakesh, it is purchase returns. We have purchased goods from Rakesh and now we are returning it. We recorded in the sales returns book. So this accountant is doing a lot of fun. He's having a lot of fun in the office. Things which have to be recorded in the sales book, he records in the purchase book. Things which have to be recorded in the purchase book, he records in the sales book, and he just keeps changing the books. So goods returned to Rakesh, purchase returns were recorded in the sales returns book. So the correct entry is goods returned to Rakesh. Rakesh to purchase returns. What was the amount? The amount was 4,000. This is the correct entry we should have passed. We should have recorded the name of Rakesh in the purchase returns book. If you record the name of Rakesh in the purchase returns book, it is equal to passing an entry Rakesh to purchase returns. But what did we do? We have recorded the name of Rakesh in sales returns book. So if you record the name of Rakesh in sales returns book, it becomes equal to entry sales returns to Rakesh. S by R here means I'm just using a shortcut to write sales returns. Sales returns to Rakesh 400. So this is the error we have done. This is what we should have done. So rectification entry would be reverse of wrong plus correct. So reverse of wrong would be Rakesh to sales returns 4,000 plus correct. This has been reversed here. Plus correct is Rakesh to purchase returns 4,000. So the net effect would be Rakesh would be debited with 8,000. Sales returns would be credited with 4,000. Purchase returns would be credited with 4,000. So this is the rectification entry we have to now pass. This is the answer for the bit. D bit. Goods returned from Mahesh rupees 1,000 were recorded in the purchase returns book. When Mahesh is returning the goods to us, it is sales returns for us. Mahesh purchased goods from us, now he is returning it. So it is sales returns. And instead of recording it in the sales returns book, we are recording it in the purchase returns book. So the correct entry is Mahesh is returning goods to us. That means it is sales returns. 1,000 was recorded in the purchase returns book. The correct entry we should have passed is sales returns to Mahesh 1,000. But what is the wrong entry we have done? Instead of recording it as sales returns, we have recorded it as purchase returns. When you record the name of Mahesh in purchase returns book, it is equal to passing an entry Mahesh account debtor to purchase returns. So now what is the rectification entry? Rectification entry is reverse of wrong plus correct. So reverse of wrong would be purchase returns to Mahesh 1,000 plus correct entry would be sales returns to Mahesh 1,000. So the net effect would be purchase returns account debit 1,000, sales returns debit 1,000 to Mahesh will be credited with 2,000. So this is the entry will pass. Purchase returns account will be debited with 1,000. Sales returns will be debited with 1,000. Mahesh account will be credited with 2,000. This is the rectification entry, or this is the answer for this bit. Let us see the last bit. Goods returned from Naresh 2,000 were recorded in the purchases book. So this man has to be first given training on how to record entries. Goods returned from Naresh 2,000. So if Naresh is returning goods to us, that means it is sales returns. It should be recorded in the sales returns book. It was wrongly recorded in the purchases book. E. Goods returned by Naresh means we should have passed the entry sales returns to Naresh. But what we have done, instead of recording it in the sales returns book, we have recorded in the purchase book. We have passed the entry purchases to Naresh. What was the amount? 2,000 rupees. This is the correct entry we should have passed. Sales returns to Naresh is the correct entry we should have passed, but we have recorded it in the purchases book. Rectification entry would be reverse of wrong plus correct. Reverse of wrong is Naresh to purchases 2000 plus correct. Correct entry sales returns to Naresh 2000. So reverse of wrong purchases to Naresh. Reverse of wrong entry is Naresh to purchases, and correct entry we have to pass sales returns to Naresh. So net effect of these two entries would be this will get cancelled here. Debit and credit will get cancelled. So we'll record the rectification entry. Sales returns account debit 2000 to purchases account 2000. This is the answer. This is the rectification entry which you have to now pass. Sales returns account data to purchase account is the entry we have to pass. So this was one more illustration on rectification of errors. Hope you are able to understand the illustrations. Thank you.